Hey guys, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Fré. I am Fré, your host today. I am going to teach you how to say all the word for every members in your family. Alright, let's start with the lessons. And then the first word that we are going to learn is, of course, how to say mother in Haitian Creole. The way you say mother in Haitian Creole is mama, mama, mother. Papa, papa, father. Papa. C'est, Lise c'est moi. She is my sister. Brother. Frère. Aunt. Tante. Aunt. Mama. Papa. Frère. C'est. Tante. Okay? Now you have tonton. Can you guess what that is? Tonton. If you have aunt, you have, yes, tonton. Yeah? Kouzen. The boys that are my cousin, I call them Kouzen. Sounds almost like Yakuza. Funny, but okay. If you have girl cousins, they are Kouzin. My boy cousins and my girl cousins. Cousins. Got it? Yes. So you keep your mouth slightly closed and you say yes. Almost sounds like the word in German, niet. See? Yes. If you have a niece, chances are you have a nephew, right? So the way you say nephew in Haitian Creole, say neve, nephew. What do I call my niece again in Haitian Creole? Yes. What about my nephews? What do I call them? Neve. Grandmother is Gran. Grandmother. Gran-papa. Okay? Gran-papa, grandfather. So let's recap. So you have mama, papa, frère, c'est, tante, tonton, cousin, cousine, nièce, neveu, grandpapa. And if you have any question, please add it in the comment below and I'll make time to answer it. Until next time, Male.